Let me take a break with this. If we talk about this Gully Bop and this chin thing. Chin me rate you, you me say. You know why I say you? Because if it wasn't for you, we wouldn't have any Gully Bop today. No matter who put up the video. But basically I hear the people them I watch. And try you them I watch Gully Bop get a bus and you see them a foreign and me a Gully Bop how ungrateful. Let me say real ungrateful, you know? Real ungrateful. In cause Heavy D, in cause Dick, in cause Tom, in cause Harry. Now you turn on a cause Chin, the person who boss you. My youth, you're ungrateful. You know what? You're ungrateful. Give the girl a chance, my youth, to survive. Because nothing never wrong with Chin until he meet you. Because she wrong for go take you. She wrong for go make you sleep with her. That's you are going to cuss her or titty them long. And youth is a very ungrateful youth. You're ungrateful youth. Next thing you do a show. And you run down and watch it, woman. And you say you hear people tell you all the while about it. So people tell you all the while about it, you know, left her. Because you know you never have her. Next thing why you understand you. Not be so ungrateful to the girl that cuss her titty out there long and how she a man in your house and you with PADlock bust your head. Basically why the PADlock bust you can lock your lock her down and she get a locksmith. If you pull it and in her hand and the only thing she could do for you lick you in your head with it for you leave her alone. That's the one lock it again. And then you run try to fight the girl behind the car. You don't have to hurt her for you because you vex the other man and get the crutches. Be honest with yourself. Jamaica want to be honest. You know, say the beauty and the beast thing, it kind of look a little weird, yes, but a Chin on our watch. I don't know, say, I blame Chin, I want to blame Gully Bop to my mama, man. You know, easy to take up a madman out of Gully and change him in less than a year. And a 4-man she alone take up when she take up Gully Bop. Set up a crackhead, a homeless man, a junkie, and a mama, man. Man she can alone, she alone can take up and change him, so. Nobody can change him. And that you know, him have a dirty lifestyle with him, no care and change a hag. A hag when continue to be a hag and boy, you're not going to reach nowhere. If you ain't Chin left for the worst thing, me I tell you, go back to Chin and allow Mama G. Because it only somebody will bust you right now at Chin. Chin have your best interest in that. Mama G don't have none. Everybody want to bust off for you right now. Everybody want to walk off for you, Mama G. Why you more than how anybody else want you. Me can't tell you that. How you have left Chin for Mama G? Be honest with yourself. You're too ungrateful, youth. And nothing girl of you and Jamaica of you, you walk and cuss people. You come on and find like up yourself in an elevator, lose all your visa, and walk down the whole of Lancaster Avenue with phone by your head and go down with some people if you call, everybody knows you have a man. You know where you are? You come like fly away full of shit. Everywhere you see a camera, you run go talk. And I see him camera bust and I see him camera go flap you. Your crosses, youth. You feel know that. Look at the song you do, Delilah. The girl will do you nothing bad. I help you. Help you. You don't have the time. And you're really at this the girl. Jamaica don't even know better. Chin down say nothing. Big up yourself. When you don't feel you're alright. You did alright before Gully Bop. You did big alright before Gully Bop. And since Gully Bop now your life is a living hell, me I tell you. Someone will bribe you for your kissing. And you go suck out all tongue. All your poor little pitney supposed to shame on you. How you pitney feel, Chin? Go take therapy, Chin. Do. The money you get from him, take a therapy. You need it. More than anybody. You need therapy. For your sickness what you have. And be honest with yourself. Until next time. Me I tell you.